Hey guys, this is Frank Tapia here, and now I'm gonna be doing a video showing you my action figure unboxing and review of G.I. Joe Classified Series Retro Carded Lady J. Yep, I got this at Walmart 3 days ago for a Good Friday's our prices $29.99. On top it says choking hazard, small parts not for children under 3 years, warning, 4 plus. That's the original Hasbro logo on there. Retro Carded Lady J comes with the accessories, which includes this gun, the spear, camera, the backpack, a knife, and the stand on there, as you can see. So here's the front, and here's the back. This is G.I. Joe Lady J, Hard Burning Allison R. Well, conflict operations, primary specialty, intelligence, secondary specialty, personal clerk, birthplace, Martha's Vineyard, Mass. This is an accomplished actress and mime, as well as the study linguist. She can easily pass as a native in many countries around the world. The fictional English parents. One, small parts. Says G.I. Joe and Hasbro, and all related trademarks and logos are trademarks of Hasbro Incorporated. This is copyright 2022 Hasbro. The characters, which includes the Baroness, Lady J, Gung Ho, and Destro. This is made in China. This is the GIJoe.com. So without further ado, let's go ahead and put this unboxing right now. Whoops. Sorry about that. There we go. Okay, so here's the front and then the back of this figure. You can head swivel side to side, which will go up and downward. Arms will go forwards, backwards, movements. The biceps swivel, double jointed, pinless elbows. We swivel side to side. Inch will go up and downward. Let's have the oops again. The ab crunch will go left and right. Waist twist side to side. It goes round and round. There. Next we'll go forwards, backwards movements. Got thigh swivel, double jointed pinless knees. Would swivel side to side. Ankles will go up and downward. And lastly, it does have ankle rockers. You can use this dagger in your hand. Or you can use the knight sheath like this. The camera in your hand. you go. This is the backpack on his back. The spear. Like that. Let's see if it's scary. Switch a piece. Use this computer to shoot. And there you have it. Perfect. Oh, we forgot to switcheroo these hairs. Just like this. Oh, we can't forget your hair. And there, perfect. Here he is alongside with the regular Lady J figure. Okay, guys, well, like, comment, and subscribe button, and then you let me know in the comment section below. Alright, goodbye.